So students, our next topic is sixth chapter, because fifth is completed. Now I am starting the sixth chapter, linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables, sixth chapter. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. This is our topic name. Actually, linear, equation, variable, these three words you studied in the lower classes. Even 9th class also, in polynomials, I explained what is a variable, and I explained what is meant by linear. So these terms already we discussed in the 8th class, and even in 9th also. In second chapter, polynomials and factorization, I explained what is a variable, what is a constant, what is a coefficient, all the terms I explained. So once again I will give small definition which is not needed actually. So but let me give one simple example, definitions. So equation, you know what is the equation? See here, you are solving the equations since 7th class. In 7th class also you solved equations. 8th also you solved the equations. And now equation means it contains equal symbol, that's all. Whenever there is a equal symbol, that is a equation. Suppose 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the equal symbol. Whenever there is a equal symbol, it is called equation. If the statement in which two mathematical expressions are connected by equal symbol, two mathematical expressions are connected by equal symbol, or two algebraic expressions are connected by equal symbol, whenever there is a equal symbol, it is equation, that's all. Equation. Equal symbol is the equation. Anyone, see here. There is a equal symbol. Equal symbol, it is a equation. Equal symbol, equation. Okay? Actually, definition, no need actually. It is silly to tell the definition, because you study, it started in the 7th class itself. But anyway, you write down. Write down the first point. Equation. Equation. A statement in which two mathematical expressions are equal symbol. This is one expression, this is another expression, both are equal. Even if it is 0 also, we call this as one expression, this is another expression, both are equal. So a statement in which two mathematical expressions are equal is called an equation. So equation means nothing special. Whenever there is an equal symbol, it is equation, that's all. Equal symbol, equation. A statement in which two mathematical expressions are equal, is called an equation. Now, in polynomials, we solved many problems based on degree of that expression, degree. So the highest power of x is called its degree. So here the degree of this is 0, degree of this is 0, here x power is 1, degree is 1. Here degree is 2, highest power is degree. So the degree is 1. When degree is 1, it is called linear. Linear means 1. Linear means degree 1. If the degree of the equation is 1, that is called a linear equation. Normal equation, you know, if it is equal symbol, it is equation. So when degree is 1, it is called linear equation. So this is not linear equation. This is the power is 2. This is the second degree equation. Second degree equation is also called quadratic equation. So now we don't have this. So only first degree. So that is called linear. Linear means degree is 1. Write down the second point. Linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation. If the degree of the equation is 1, what is degree again? Degree already we studied in the, I gave the definition in the polynomial second chapter. Degree means x power. So if the degree of the equation is 1, it is called a linear equation. If the degree of the equation is 1, if the degree of the equation is 1, it is called linear equation. If the degree of the equation is 1, it is called linear equation. See here. Don't write. Here, you know what are the constants and what are the variables. That is very simple. You studied in the 6th to 7th to 8th. In polynomials also, I clearly explained what is a variable, what is a constant. Even I gave the definition also. See here. This is a constant, this is a constant. A is also constant, but it is also called coefficient of x. So this is the variable. Which is the variable here? X is the variable. How many variables we have? One variable. This is constant, so only x is the variable. How many variables? One variable. Suppose ax plus by is equal to r plus c is equal to 0. Here how many variables are there? This is 0 of course. This is a constant. A, B are also constants, but A is the coefficient of x, B is the coefficient of y. How many variables we have? Two variables. X is the variable, y is the variable. How many variables we have? Two variables. How many variables? Two variables. Two variables. So that is our chapter. Linear equation. X power should be 1, y power should be 1. If power is 1, it is linear. Linear means power is 1. X power 1, y power. If it is 2, it is not linear. So 1 linear. Equal symbol is there. Equation. Two variables. How many variables? Two variables. That's all. So this type of equation is called the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. This is the standard form. So write down third point. The standard form of, write down, the standard form of linear equation. Don't write equations, linear equation. The standard form of linear equation in two variables. The standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here c is constant. A is also constant but is also called coefficient of x. B is coefficient of y. X comma y are variables. How many variables? Two variables. X, y are the variables. C is completely a constant. A is x coefficient. B is y coefficient. That's all. A coefficient of x, B coefficient of y. X and y are variables. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. That's it. Write down. Next, one more point and after that we start the exercise. No more introduction for this. Because many concepts you studied already, you know. See here. Suppose 2x plus 3 is equal to 15. Because there is an equal symbol, this is the equation. So this is x, this is the variable. So we can find x value. Suppose if we take x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, not 15. X is equal to 1, not satisfying. Take x is equal to 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 7, no. X is equal to 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 3 9, no. X is equal to 4, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, no. X is equal to 5, 2 into x value 5, 2 into 5 10 plus 3 not 15, 6, 2 into 6, 2 6 12, 12 plus 3 15, we are getting 15. So what is x value here? 6. So that the process of finding x value is called solving the equation. Solving the equation means solving the equation. Solving the equation means finding the value of the variable. So we have the procedure. For this if trial method also we can do. If suppose trial method is asked, we can apply this trial method. Take x is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that. See when we are getting 15. Our normal procedure is you know. So 15 plus 3 to the right side minus 3. 2x is equal to 15 minus 3 12. X is equal to 12. It is in multiplication. It will be in the denominator by 2. 2 6 times. X is equal to how much? 6. So this is called solving the equation. Solve the equation means what does it mean? Finding the value of the variable. Finding the value of the variable is called solving the equation. Solve means we have to find x value. So whatever the variable. But in our problem there are two variables, no, x and y. We have to find x and y, both the values. How to find? How to solve? How to find x and y values? I will explain while solving the problems. So first, what is the meaning of solving the equation? Just you write down. Solving the equation. Write down. Fourth point. Finding the values of the variables. Finding the values of the variables. Finding the values of the variables. Finding the values of the variables in a given equation. Finding the values of the variables in a given equation is called solving the equation. Finding the values of the variables in a given equation is called solving the equation. Is called solving the equation. Continuation. The values of the variables are called solution. Solution of the equation. Actually, these all are very silly points. This actually it is not no need. Just we can start the exercise because all these you studied in the lower classes. Equation you know, degree you know, linear you know, what is variable, what is constant you know, what is meant by solving the equation also you know. You studied all this, so no need of all this. So just I gave simple definitions. Now students, all of you open your textbooks. We have very simple exercise, first exercise, and after that exercise to exercise there will be some difficulty level increases. And even I told all of you, please get some graph papers because some problems we have to use the graph. In the previous exercise also, in the previous chapter also, we are supposed to use the graph, but without graph also we did. We took a white paper and you may also took a white paper and you may be completed it. But now in this chapter, compulsory you get long graph papers, some graph papers at least. Some graph papers you have to get maybe in third exercise, I think. Third or second, let us see. So students, 128 page number, all of you open the textbooks, 128 page number, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Students, all of you open your textbooks, 128, exercise 6.1, first question. Read the question. Read the question. Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. Very simple, no solution, that's just adjustments, that's all. So change the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. So change the given equation into ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and tell a, b, c values. That is a simple question. Right, given equation is 8x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. It is already ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. No need of any interchanging the numbers, no need of any simplification. Directly in this form. A is 8, B is 5, C is minus 3. That's all. If some numbers are that side, we have to bring everything to the left side and we have to arrange like this. But it is already in the arranged form. So right now, given equation is, write this given equation. This is in the form of, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is 8, b is 5, c is minus 3. That's all. Over. All problems same model. All problems in the exercise same model. Complete exercise is same model, of course. Only first bit a 7 bit, first 7 bits, second 4 bits. So 7 bits, 7 plus 4, 11 bits are same model. No difference. Just bring minus 7 to the left side. First x term, next y term, next constant. That's all. This is in the form of exactly ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 28, b is equal to minus 35, c is equal to 7. A 28, b minus 35, c 7. Same way you do all bits, third bit you write down and do it. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, complete all. Now only. Ninety-three x is equal to 12 minus 15y. 93x is equal to 12 minus 15y. Say here, 93x minus 15y this side plus 15y. After x, first next y, plus 12 right side, left side minus 12. That's all. Bring all the terms to the left side because it should be in this form. Right side only 0. So 93x minus 15y this side plus 15y plus 12 this side minus 12 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to, write down ABC values. C minus 15 this side plus 15 plus 12 to the left side minus 12. When you are changing the numbers one side to other side of the equal symbol, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, divide will become into will become divide, like that. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus. A is equal to 93, B is equal to 15, C is equal to minus 12. That's all. Same way fourth bit. Nothing to explain, just we are doing so that you can maintain the notes. Fourth bit. Minus 5y this side plus 5y, right side 0, minus this side plus. First we write external, minus 5y this side plus 5y, right side it is 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A is 2, b is 5, c is, there is no constant term, only x coefficient, y coefficient we have. X coefficient standardly denoted by a, y coefficient standard notation is b, c is the constant but there is no constant which is 0. That's all. Write the next problem. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 7. Actually, when this type of fractions are given, we have to simplify. Take the LCM 12, we have to simplify. But here the simplification is not asked, and even in the textbook question also, textbook answers also, this is not in the simplified form. As it is given. So actually we simplify this type of equation. We don't keep the fractions. We take LCM and we simplify. But in the textbook answer, it is not simplified. So write as it is. This is, we can write it as 1 by 3x, no? X by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into x. 1 into x, x only. No? So 1 by 4 into y plus 7 this side minus 7. That's all. 1 by 3 x, 1 by 4 y minus 7. That's all. This is in the form of plus 7 this side minus 7. So 1 by 3 of x, 1 by 4 of y, plus 7 this side minus 7. A is 1 by 3, B is 1 by 4, C is minus 7. We textbook answer is given like this, but generally we take LCM and we simplify. In that case, A value will be different, B value will be different, C value will be different. That is also correct. If we take LCM, we may get A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, and 3 4s are 12, 84, minus 84 will be the C value. That is also correct. Sixth bit. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2x. Minus term this side, it becomes plus. Generally, in our standard form, x will be the first term. So, instead of writing y first, I will write x first. Minus 3 by 2 this side, plus 3 by 2x. Minus will become plus 3 by 2x. Already this is y. There is nothing on the right side. All are taken to the left side. So, nothing means it is 0. Minus 3 by 2 is plus 3 by 2x. Y is y only. What is the sign here? Plus only. So, plus y I am writing same. Plus y is plus y. See, I am not taking y to the right side. I am keeping here only. Left side only I am keeping. See, a plus b, b plus a, any order you can write. You can write x term first, y term first, second, or y first, x term, same signs. But the standard form is x is the first term, y is the second, constant is third. So this is written. This y is here. Right side there is nothing, 0. Right now. So this is in the standard form where a is 3 by 2, b is 1. How many? This is 1y. So y means 1y. b is equal to 1y. If there is nothing, it is nothing but 1y. 1y. See, there is no x term is there, y term is there, there is no constant term, 0. There is no constant term here. X coefficient is a, y coefficient is b, there is no constant term, that is 0. First last bit. It is 3x plus 5y is equal to 12. Write in our standard form. For that, bring constant to the left side, that's all. Nothing else. Plus 12 left side minus 12. Plus 12 left side minus 12. A is 3, B is 5, C is minus 12. A is 3, B is 5, C is minus 12. A is 3, B is 5, C is minus 12. That's all. Second also same. Write down the second question. Second also same. Same model. Take plus 5 to the left side, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That's all. Plus 5, all the terms should be taken to the left side, right side only 0. That is our standard form. Plus 5 taken to the left side. Now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is the x coefficient. X coefficient is a. A is equal to 2. X coefficient is a. A is equal to 2. B is equal to y coefficient. There is no y term here. There is no y term 0. Y is 0. There is no y. If there is one y, we take it as 1. But there is no y, so y is 0. Y coefficient is 0. Constant is minus 5. Constant is minus 5. X is a is equal to 2. B, there is no y term, so b is 0. C is minus. That's it. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. There is no x term. X coefficient a. There is no x. A is equal to 0. Y coefficient is 1. X is, there is no x. So 0. Y is 1y. How many y? 1y. You can write like this. 0x 1y minus 2. Like this you can write. Here also you can write 2x plus 0y minus 5. One more step you can write. 0x. 0 into x. So 1y minus 2. You write this. Here also you can write like this. Then we can compare with this one. Exactly. If there is no x, 0x, 1y, minus 2. 2x, there is no y, so write 0y, minus. Same way do the next two. Write down. See, actually whenever fraction is there, we have to simplify, but in our textbook answers it is not simplified. You keep as it is. So 0x, there is no x, no? 0x. There is no x. 1 by 7y. There is no x, 0x, 1 by 7y. Plus 3 this side, minus 3. That's all. There is no x, 0 x. So A is 0, B is 1 by 7, C is minus 3. That's minus this side plus, minus 14 by 13 this side plus. So 1x, this is 1x. There is no y, 0 y. Plus 14 by 30. A is 1, B is 0, C is 14 by 30. That's so, of course, first two problems we completed, and the third bit we will do in the next class. So practice this, and